Dear students, in this video we are going to see about one of the building material, bricks. The common brick is one of the oldest building material and it is extensively used at present as a leading building material of construction because of its durability, strength, low cost, easy availability, etc. The bricks are made from soil and hence the property of bricks will depend on the properties of soil. So okay, let us see the composition of a good brick. First one is alumina. A good brick should contain about 20 to 30% of alumina. This constituent imparts plasticity to earth so that it can be molded. If it is present in excess, raw bricks shrink and warp during drying and burning. So second composition is silica. A good brick earth should contain 50 to 60% of silica. Presence of this component prevents cracking, shrinking and warping of raw bricks. It imparts uniform shape to the bricks. Next, lime. A good brick earth should contain a small quantity of lime. It prevents shrinkage of raw bricks. If it is in excess, it will cause the brick to melt and its shape is lost. If lumps of limes are present in the brick earth, these are converted into quick lime after burning and this quick lime slacks and expands in presence of moisture. This will result in splitting of brick into pieces. So fourth composition is oxide of iron. A good brick earth should contain a small quantity of oxide of iron to the extent of about 5 to 6%. It gives red color to the bricks. Fifth composition is Magnesia. A small quantity of this constituent imparts yellow tint into bricks and it decreases shrinkage. Okay. Next is the manufacturing process of bricks. So first point is removal of loose soil. So the top layer of the loose soil about 20 centimeter approximate depth contains lot of impurities and hence it should be taken out and thrown away. So second step is digging, spreading and cleaning. So the earth is then dug out from the ground. This earth is spread into heaps of about 60 centimeter to 120 centimeter approx height. All the undesirable materials like stones, vegetable matters, etc. are removed. Lumps of clay should be converted into powder form. Next, the earth is then exposed to atmosphere for softening. The period of exposure varies from weeks to full season. And the next step is blending. The clay is then mixed with the suitable ingredients. It is carried out by taking a small portion of clay every time and by turning it up and down in vertical direction. So fifth step is tempering. So this is done due to make the whole mass of clay homogeneous and plastic. So required quantity of water is added to clay and the whole mass is kneaded under the feet of men or cattle. When bricks are manufactured on a large scale, tempering is usually done in a mill, that is pug mill. So these are the steps of preparation of a brick earth. And the second step is molding of bricks. So this can be done by hand molding or machine molding. In case of hand molding, a rectangular box with open top and bottom, it may be of wood or steel. A typical mold may be of rectangular box-like structure. So next one is machine molding. When bricks are manufactured in huge quantity at the same spot, then molding is done by machines. So these machines contain a rectangular opening of size equal to the length and width of the brick. So third step is drying of bricks. After the bricks are molded, they are dried. This is done on specially prepared drying yachts. So bricks are stacked in the yard, 8 to 10 bricks in each row. Bricks are dried for a period of about 5 to 12 days approx. So final step is burning of bricks. So burning imparts hardness and strength to bricks and makes them dense and durable. It must be done carefully and properly because unburnt bricks remains soft and hence cannot carry loads, and overburnt bricks become brittle and hence break easily. So these are the different steps in the manufacturing process of bricks. So next one is special types of bricks. So first type is perforated brick. So this perforated brick is shown in this figure. These bricks contain cylindrical holes throughout their thickness. They are light in weight and hence the transportation cost is less. So the compressive strength of these bricks should not be less than 70 kg per centimeter square on gross area. Heat insulation capacity of these bricks is very high, but sound insulation capacity is low. So second one is hollow bricks. So these bricks have a wall thickness of about 20 to 25 mm. They are prepared from special homogeneous clay. They are light in weight. Hence the transportation cost is less. Also, these bricks can be laid very faster than the ordinary brick. Here also the insulation capacity, heat insulation capacity is very high. The third type is paving bricks. So these bricks are prepared from clay containing a higher percentage of iron. They have a better resistance against the abrasive action of traffic. So fourth type is sand lime bricks. So these bricks are also called as calcium silicate bricks. So these bricks are hard and strong and uniform in color and texture. These bricks present a clean appearance and hence plastering is not necessary. They have a low resistance against abrasion. So fifth one is pressed bricks. These bricks are manufactured by pressing the clay under a pressure of about 40 kg per centimeter square. These bricks are very strong, more compact, have sharp and regular edges with smooth external surfaces. They do not require drying and can be burned directly. So these big bricks are used where high quality work is needed. And the final last type is a fire or refractory bricks. These bricks are made from fire clay, and process of manufacturing is same as that of ordinary clay bricks. Burning and cooling of fire bricks are done slowly. The clay used for these bricks should contain 25% to 35% of alumina and 75% to 65% of silica. These bricks withstand very high temperature without melting and hence these are used for lining the interiors of oven, chimneys and furnaces. So these are the topics have to included. If any questions asked about bricks in Anna University examinations, so prepare well. Thank you.